In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your employee report look compact in QuickBooks. Whether you're managing a small team or a large workforce, having a clear and concise report can be incredibly helpful. Let's dive into the steps to achieve a more streamlined look for your employee reports. First, you'll need to start by signing into your QuickBooks account. If you haven't already done so, open up your browser and navigate to the QuickBooks website. Here you'll find the sign in option conveniently located on the home page. Clicking on that will take you to the login page. Next, you'll want to select QuickBooks Online as your preferred option. This step is essential as it directs you to the right platform where you can access the required functionalities for modifying your employee reports. Once you've chosen QuickBooks Online, the system will prompt you to enter your credentials. Make sure you type in your email and password correctly, then go ahead and click Continue. It's important to do this carefully as incorrect credentials will prevent you from accessing your account and might delay this whole process. Now that you're logged in, navigate your way to the Employees section. This is where all your employee data and reports are housed. Typically, you'll find this option in the main navigation menu. Clicking it will direct you to a detailed view of all employees. After that, you'll need to choose a specific employee profile from the list. This involves selecting the employee whose report you want to make more compact. This action will typically open up a detailed profile page on your screen. Once you're in the employee's profile, look for the Actions button and give it a click. This will open up a drop-down menu with various options related to employee data management. From this drop-down menu, the next task is to locate and select Run Report. This action initiates the generation of an employee report specific to the individual you chose. With the report now in view, turn your attention to the small gear icon on the report page. This little icon is your gateway to customizing the layout of your report, making it crucial for achieving that compact format you're aiming for. Finally, after clicking on the gear icon, you'll see a list of options. Among these options, look for the checkbox labeled Compact. Check this box and instantly you'll notice the report becoming more condensed, presenting all critical information in a simplified manner. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can efficiently adjust your employee reports in QuickBooks to make them more compact, saving space and enhancing readability. I hope you find this guide helpful. Thanks for watching and be sure to check out our other videos for more QuickBooks tips and tutorials.